Good evening, everyone. We are the Electrical Clubhouse Company, a company that its purpose is to help everyone relieve their stress through an app, Grab. But first, let me introduce the members of the company. First is me, Ken Pasakyan, the CEO of the company, who will the, walk you through to this presentation. Next, Frank S. Galera, who manages the feedback of the customers. Next is Christian Bahan, who developed the value proposition of the company. Next is Larry Jr. Odelo, who helps in creating the presentation and helps in the works as well. And last but not least, Brandon Disconnect, who manages the gaps and improvements to be solved. And of course, we all help each other develop this app. Next, what problems, gaps, or improvement do you want to solve? What we solve is about the stress of the people, and not only that, to help people who are in, in these tough times in this pandemic, help them deliver a drink to them. Because during this lockdown, people were obligated to stay indoors. Also, health shoppers or alcoholic drinkers are afraid to go to grocery stores during the corona pandemic. It's, it's a task that these days often involves long lines, high stress, and empty shelves. And because of this, we made an online grab a beer where they can select and buy a beer they want online and it can be delivered at them. The benefits of this our customers can purchase from their homes, workplace as per their comfort. It is easy to cancel the transactions in online and grab a beer. Online grab a beer made order easy as there are no lines to wait that they can buy in a minute only and also during festivals, weekends or holidays it is common to see the crowd at shopping places. It will be a huge headache and hectic to purchase a beer in this type of environment, but in online grab a beer or app, we do not have to face crowds and also we do not have any need to do unusual battles for parking. Next is the features of the app that we manage to have a feedback from the customers or the users. Our product is called Probably. It's an app that sells alcoholic beverage online. So with just a click, you can select your preferred beverage, the card, and check out it will be delivered to your address. For the feature, we improved our user interface and add more details about our product to make it more user-friendly and added more selection for the rural areas and adding more feature like customer validation and age restriction. So these are the new added features. We added the validation for age because alcoholic drinks are only for people that are aged and we added more selection for the rural areas like snacks, barbecue, and with the option with beer and foods for for less price. Now, for our value proposition, by straightforward explanation, it shows simplicity. You don't have a hassle in buying outside, especially when you are tired and stressed. Drinking isn't just only for the person who wants to go drunk or wasted. Drinking can also relieve stress. Our app also shows where the customers can return the bottle after drinking, which is also good. Now, let me show you or walk you through to what our app is. So, this is an app This is our app overview. First, when you download, after downloading the app, you will first need to sign in. You will have to first put your name, your address, city, and phone number. For the scanner, this is for the scanner, this is for validation if you are above the age of 18. So the scanner's purpose is to validate your ID, and for your ID, then your face. Then after doing all of that, you can go now. You can go now to categorize, where you can see or select what type of beer you want. From light beer, uncle's light, beer with fruits, beer with fruits. In selecting light beer or beers, you can have multiple and select from different kinds of beer, from San Miguel, Tanduay Ice, Lone Star, Tiger, and many more. So here you can see a different selection of type of beers. Now after you select the beer, you can now go and add it to cart or order. You can see here that uh, you can have a lot. Can you put a lot with? You can have different kinds of quantity that you want. It can be 5 or more. So next is for information. The total number of the beer that you ordered and the total amount of the beer. So it also has a note for information about the beer or where it's going, when it's going to be delivered, and also has a promo code. So the map also here. For the next feature, we have a map. This map is to track where your beer is going to be, where it's going to be delivered, or where you can track your order here through the map. So the next feature is return the return beer bottle. Because of this feature, because this is needed, because some bottle companies or some beer companies need to return a bottle. That's their policy, and that's how you use the app. It's so simple and easy to use. For now, the walkthrough to our app or a demo of our app. So like the first one, all you have to do is sign in after downloading. All you have to do is sign in the app. After that, you go to the scanning or validation validation of your ID, of your age, and your face. After that, you can already use the app. You can use the app. You can now go and select for a different kind of beers that you want to order. This is shown in here. Different type of beers. Here, here, and here. Then you can also uh, operate, or I mean, you can also watch where your delivery is gonna come from. You can monitor it and watch or when will it go to your room. For the next and for the next feature is the return button notification. because this is for other companies to know that you will return the bottle, because some companies need to have some return policy of their bottle. So for the other feature that we added, the new one, this is before you scan. This is for verification of your age. If you are above, if you are of age, that means 18 and above, then if you're underage, you cannot use the app. We also add more feature or selection for rural areas like snacks, barbecue, and beverage for less percent or less cost of your snack and drinks. For our we will provide you good service, good product, and good use of the app. It's going to be uh, user friendly and easy to use, just like any delivery. That's all. Thank you. So for my closing statement, I'd like to thank you, my members, on working on the app and working hard on making our company great. I also like to thank the users that we interviewed, because of them we managed to bring out new features to make our app more usable for everyone and more friendly for everyone. Also, thank you for listening when to me when I introduce our app. That's all. Use the app, grab a beer, and relax. Thank you very much.